All right, Keith.
I'm just thinking.
Yeah, I know,
I think
yeah.
it's cool, but like MIT, I don't even know what MIT costs anymore. But it's just funny if you were to break it down. Like we're learning about coffee here. We got some snow over southern Maine right now.
Right.
Nothing that's causing any issues yet. But I think as the night goes on, if you're out, you just want to be aware of it because it'll get a little bit dicier here as that snow fills in. You can see it over southern Maine, getting a little bit thicker at first. It wasn't hitting the ground. Now it's saturated the air column enough that we're getting it down to the surface. I'd love to hear from you down into southern York County. It appears as though it's mixed with rain based on those temperatures, but this algorithm is not perfect. It's just what the radar thinks is happening. For example, I bet you that it is not raining in Sanford, and that's more down here where that rain-snow line is. So this system, as we talked about over the past couple of days, is largely missing to our south, but we're just catching the northern fringe of it. And there's just enough cold air. Ironically, in what's been kind of a cold January, it's really not that cold ahead of this storm, so we have just enough cold air to give us some snow tonight. So over the next few hours, the precipitation shield expands fairly rapidly, but it's still over the southern half, or really third almost, of the state that we're seeing that snow. Some moderate bursts are possible over southern Maine and the mid-coast here. This is 8 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, and that snow line gets up to about Bangor. I do think that it's going to be hard to really get much to the ground here north of Bangor, maybe just some flurries or snow showers, but nothing significant. Down East Maine, we'll be seeing the snow, though, accumulating, temperatures dropping down into the mid-20s, so it starts off really pasty, the type of snow, and then it gets a little fluffier on the back end. So you'll see different, tomorrow morning if you shovel it, you'll see different types of snow in there. Temperatures continue to fall through tomorrow morning. If you wake up early enough tomorrow morning, you'll see the last of that snow along the coast, and then it's a sunny but windy, cold day tomorrow. Temperatures are in the teens. This is 10 or so at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then look at these temperatures below zero tomorrow night, 10 to 15 degrees below zero, and along the coast likely below zero as well. So I feel like this is a pretty good spot to be. 1 to 3 inches of accumulation is possible. It is possible the mountains are able to squeeze out 1 to 3 here, and then a 3+ bullseye down towards Sanford. That's probably a 3 to 5 type situation. The weekend is quiet but cold. Next system moves in on Sunday night. Doesn't look like a big deal, but another 1 or 2, maybe 3, if we line it up just right, inches of snow coming in Sunday night into Monday morning. We are still significantly below average for snow so far this season. Even though it's felt wintry, that's been mostly that it's been on the chilly side and we've kept the snow that we've gotten, but we haven't actually got that much snow. So we'll watch that system Sunday night into Monday, breezy on Tuesday, a little bit of relief from really frigid stuff next week, Caroline. We do have a system that we're watching for Thursday too that could be a mixture. And that mid next week reminds me more of the last few winters where the rain-snow line will be a factor. It'll be maybe changing over, but one storm at a time, right?
All right, yeah, we'll take it in stride.
Yep.
Keith, thanks.